Master of Science Professional is a 2-year program that blends coursework, so you do sort of the theory behind your major subject, whatever it is, but you also get some real hands-on experience. So you can do different projects of different lengths and even professional placements. So, for example, we want to send people over to work with NGOs in the Philippines on whale sharks. The Master's Professional covers a whole range of different majors. I mean, you could be looking at trees or insects or bugs or wallabies, platypus. The world's big, and there's lots of different fields of science that you can get into. Is it cyclones? Is it rocks? Is it plants? Sharks?
I really fell in love with marine biology because of animals like sharks. I'm going to be doing a minor project with Andrew Chin and Amy Diedrich, and we're going to be looking at the background of sustainable livelihood and diversification and applying it to shark marine tourism. So we're going to be looking at the past literature that looks at which criteria make alternative livelihood successful, and then we're going to be applying it to current projects and seeing how effective they really are. JCU is one of the best schools in the world for marine biology. When I was doing my undergrad at a different school, they had some programs with JCU, and I had heard about it, and I knew that they did a lot of stuff with tropical coral reef ecology, and I did some of my gap year in the Philippines and in Indonesia, so I knew I wanted to sort of be in that area, and I know that a lot of the lecturers here do a lot of research there, and I wanted to be able to network.
Because you are working with academics and researchers, you are meeting with stakeholders, you're actually getting some real-world experience, and what we would call the soft skills are actually the essential skills. So the Fish and Fisheries Lab is all about working on the sustainability of fish and fisheries. So it's about making sure there are fish for the future, but also making sure that people who rely on fish for their livelihoods, they also have a future as well.
It's not doing science for science, it's doing science to make a difference in the world and in the fisheries in particular. So I am so grateful that I get to be a part of it. Yeah.